हेलो एवरीवन। इस सेशन में हम डू लूप का एक और प्रोग्राम जो है उसे डिस्कस करेंगे। दिस प्रोग्राम प्रिंट्स ऑड नंबर अप टू 10th डिजिट। ऑड नंबर इसमें प्रिंट करेंगे हम लोग, और कंडीशन कब तक रन होगी? जब तक कि जो भी कंसर्निंग वेरिएबल आप डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं, वो वेरिएबल 10th नंबर तक उस कंडीशन को मैच करेगा। सबसे पहले मॉड्यूल 1, इट्स अ नेम ऑफ आवर मॉड्यूल, और इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से स्टार्टिंग ऑफ आवर मॉड्यूल और स्टार्टिंग ऑफ आवर प्रोजेक्ट। ये हमें कंसोल एप्लीकेशन के अंदर डिफाइन करना है इस प्रोग्राम को। सबसे पहले आफ्टर द मेन मॉड्यूल, सब मेन फंक्शन बिलोंग्स टू स्टार्टिंग of our program. It means it's a main function which determine starting of our program. After that, here we will declare I variable, which is integer type of data type. It's simply a declaration of variable dim I as integer. After that, I equals to 1. It's a initialization of variable. It means in this statement we will specify a value on I variable, which is 1. So this statements denotes it's a initialization of a variable. Now after that we will start do loop with do keyword. Now after the starting of do loop, firstly we will execute the statement which is specified in do between the do keyword, like console.writeLine I. Console.writeLine is a method which is mainly used to print the statement or text which is specified in the method. Now here we will specify console.writeLine I. So this statements print I value on the console at the time of runtime. Means the I value here we will specify 1. Then console.writeLine method execute 1 at the time of runtime, or print 1 value at the time of runtime. After that the next statement will be execute I plus 2. Here we will mention the value of I is 1 plus 2. Now the value of I is 3, which is stored in the I variable. Here I variable contain value 3, I plus 2, 1 plus 2, it means 3. Now after that the counter will be executed on the next statement. Now loop runs while it's a condition I is greater than equal to 10, I is lesser than equal to 10. It means loops run till while I is less than or equal to 10. Now here we know that the value which contain I variable is 3. Now the condition we will check, 3 is lesser than or equal to 10. Yes, it's true, because I contain 3 value which is less than 10, lesser than 10. So the loops will be meet out, this condition is true. Now the again counter will be switch over to do loop. Now after the entered in do loop, again console dot write line I. Now here we know that I variable contain value 3, so that after one print as per the previous loop runs. Now here console dot write line method print the value 3. After that, now again when we know that I variable contain 3 value, then 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now 5 value will be contained in I variable. After that loop check the condition while I is less than equal to 10. Yes, we know that here in this time I variable contain 5 value which is lesser than 10. Now the again do loop will be run. Now console dot write line I. Now this statement prints I variable value on screen which is 5. Now after that again I plus 2, as we know that I variable contain value 5 plus 2 equals to 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now in this statement 7 value will be stored in I variable. Now again we will enter in do loop while condition, while I is less than or equal to 10. Yes, we know that I variable contain here 7 value which is lesser than 10. Now after this statement again do loop will be execute and it's print console dot write line I, and we know that this statement execute or print I variable value which is 7. Now again 7 plus 2 equals to 9, and 9 value will be stored in I variable. Again do loop while condition will be checked, I is lesser than equal to 10. We know that yes, I contain 9 value which is lesser than or equals to 10. Now the again do loop will be execute and it's print console dot write line I. Now in this statement it's execute or print 9 value on the console output screen. Now after the print 9 value, the next statement will be execute which is 9 plus 2. We know that I variable contain 9 value plus 2 equals to 11. Now in this statement, after this statement execute, I variable contain 11 value. Now the loop will be check the condition while I is lesser than or equal to 10. Here we know that I variable contain 9 plus 2 11 value which is not lesser than or equal to 10, it's a greater than 10. So at that time condition will be false and the counter will be exit from the do loop. After that console dot readline method will be execute for contain the output value or prevent the output value. At that time we will use console dot read key method also. Now execute of do loop at the time of runtime, it's print the entire whole odd numbers as per the execution of do loop. Firstly, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now 9 plus 2, as we know that 11 is not less than or equal to 10, so that its loop will be exit from the do loop. So it's a way of working of print odd numbers up to condition match 10. So now this example we will be practically implement for upcoming session. I hope you understand. Thank you.